In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a map into your Figma canvas using a map plugin. To get started, make sure you already have an empty layout shape or a frame component selected on your canvas in Chrome. This is important because the plugin needs a specific area to place the map result. If nothing is selected, the map may not appear where you expect it to, so it's a good habit to check your selection before moving on. Once your empty shape or frame is ready, go ahead and open the Mapsicle or Figmap plugin from your saved extensions drawer. If you've used either plugin before, this should be quick and easy to access. Opening it from your saved extensions helps streamline the process, especially if you frequently work with location-based visuals, mockups, or interface designs that need real map references. Give the plugin a moment to load fully so all search and placement features are available. After the plugin opens, look for the query bar inside the plugin window. This is where you'll enter the geographical street address you want to display. Type your target address carefully and as clearly as possible so the plugin can return the most accurate map result. In most cases, including the full street address will help narrow down the location and reduce the chance of loading the wrong area. If your project depends on precision, it's worth double-checking the spelling and formatting of the address before submitting the search. Once the address is entered, the plugin will use that information to locate the place and prepare the map for your selected frame or shape. Because you already selected the destination area on the canvas first, the workflow stays organized and the map content is much easier to place into your design. A quick tip here is to think about the size of the frame you selected before running the search. A larger frame can be useful if you want more surrounding context, while a smaller area may work better for tighter interface elements or focused visual compositions. That way, the inserted map fits more naturally into the design you're building. And that's all you need to do to search for and place a location-based map using Mapsicle or Figmap in Figma. If you follow this flow in order, selecting the frame first, opening the plugin second, and searching the address last, the process stays simple, clean, and reliable.